In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to contact Freshbooks support in just about 5 minutes. In the age of digital transactions and online business management, Freshbooks stands out as an essential tool for freelancers, small business owners, and anyone in need of a reliable, user-friendly accounting software. But what do you do when you encounter a hiccup or have a question that needs personalized attention? Worry not, because reaching out to Freshbooks support is a hassle-free process, and today I'll guide you through it step by step. First things first, let's navigate to the Freshbooks website. This is your gateway to not just a plethora of accounting solutions, but also to the support you might need along the way. Once you're on their homepage, you're just a couple of clicks away from the help you need. Next up, you'll need to log into your account to access personalized support. Look for the login button, usually located on the top right corner of the web page. Clicking on this will take you to the login page, where you'll have different options for signing into your account. For a smooth and fast login process, click on the Sign In with Google option. This is particularly useful if you have a Google account, as it simplifies the login process by linking your Freshbooks account with Google. After selecting to sign in with Google, you'll be prompted to choose the Google account you wish to use. Make sure to select the account associated with your Freshbooks account. If you're already logged into your Google account, this step should be swift. Once you make your selection, hit enter and voila, you're now logged into Freshbooks. Now that you're in, locating the support option is your next task. On the top right corner of your dashboard, look for a small question mark icon. This icon represents the help or support section and is your gateway to contacting Freshbooks support. Upon clicking the question mark icon, you'll see an option labeled Ask Us. This is where you can directly engage with the Freshbooks support team. Click on it to proceed to the next step, which gets you closer to the assistance you need. As you click on Ask Us, a chat window will appear. Here's where you can start typing in your concern or the question you need help with. Whether it's a billing query, technical issue, or you need guidance on how to utilize a specific feature, the Freshbooks support team is ready to assist. Start typing your concern in this chat window, and a support representative will be with you shortly to provide personalized assistance. A few additional tips to make your support experience even smoother. 1. Be as specific as possible when describing your issue. The more details you provide, the easier it will be for the support team to understand your problem and offer a solution. 2. Have your account information ready just in case the support agent needs to verify your identity or check your account details to better assist you. 3. Don't hesitate to ask for further clarification if the provided solution or information doesn't fully resolve your concern. The Freshbooks support team is there to ensure your satisfaction and help you make the most out of their service. And there we have it, a simple step-by-step guide on how to contact Freshbooks support directly from your account. Remember, whether you're faced with a technical glitch, need clarification on a feature, or have any other query, the support team at Freshbooks is just a few clicks away, ready to assist you in any way possible. So go ahead, reach out with confidence, knowing that help is always at hand to ensure your Freshbooks experience is seamless and productive. Thank you for tuning into today's tutorial. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more useful tips and how-tos. Until next time, happy accounting.